Hello, students. So, today we will learn about the names of 50 different reptiles. Reptiles are cold blooded, which means they rely on heat from their surroundings to warm up. They have backbones and have dry skin covered either with scales or horny blades. They breathe using lungs and mostly lay soft shelled eggs on land to breed. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to identify different types of reptiles that we see. So let's begin without any further delay. This is an iguana. 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 This is a turtle. 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 This is a snake. 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 This is a chameleon. 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 This is a lizard. 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 This is a crocodile. 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 This is a basilisk. 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 This is a gecko. 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 This is a tortoise. 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 This is an alligator. 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 This is a tuatara. 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 This is a gavial. 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 This is a terrapin. 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 This is a cobra. 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 This is a salamander. Salamander. Salamander.